Are you tired of digging through Jira menus just to find your project timeline? You know it's in there somewhere, but it never seems to be where you need it. In about 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to add it to your navigation permanently. No more hunting around every single time. Here is the plan. First, we will open up your Jira project. Then we are going to add the timeline view to your board's navigation in just a few clicks. That is it. Super straightforward. All right, so start by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and pull that up on your screen. You are probably already there, but if not, just head to your instance and sign in. Once you are in, look over to the left side panel. That is the vertical menu where all your projects are listed. Find the specific project you are working on and click on it. In my experience, this is where a lot of folks get tripped up. They are in the right project, but looking at the wrong view. So just make sure you are clicked into the correct one. Now, take a look at the top of your board. You will see a row of tabs or view names. This is where Jira shows you things like the backlog, the active sprint, or the board view. If you look all the way to the right of those tabs, you will see a small plus sign. That is the button we need. Click that plus sign. This is Jira's way of letting you add a new way to look at your work. A drop-down menu will appear with a few different options. And here is the really important part. From that menu, you need to select the one that just says Timeline. Not the roadmap, not the calendar, just Timeline. When you select it, Jira will do its thing and load the view for you. It might take a quick second to process the data and display everything. Once it loads, you will see your entire project laid out in a clean, horizontal timeline. But here's the thing. Right now, this view is temporary. If you leave the page or click away, it disappears. So we need to lock it in. Look at the top of the timeline view. You should see a button or a toggle that says Add to Navigation. This is the golden step. Click it. By doing this, you're telling Jira, hey, I want this timeline to be a permanent tab right next to my backlog and board. And just like that, it saves. Now, every time you open this project, the timeline view will be right there waiting for you. No extra digging, no second guessing. I have tested this across several different projects and it works consistently. It is one of those small changes that just makes your workflow feel so much smoother. So that is all there is to it. You went from not knowing how to access the timeline to having it permanently visible in your project navigation. Give it a try the next time you're in Jira, and I promise you will wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for sticking with me, and I will catch you in the next one.